So these are the self-heating eye compressions. So I was struggling with some dry eyes and decided to give these a try. So they come in a 30 pack. I've used a few, as you can tell, and I've absolutely loved them so far. So again, they are disposable, so you're just able to open these up after washing. I use it after I wash my face, and then right as I'm going to bed, I just put it on my eyes and keep it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm able to put them in the trash. So again, they have definitely been helpful with my eye dryness that I experience, especially during allergy season. So definitely something I would recommend and will be purchasing again.